Some adjectives in Italian: pieno, full, vuoto, empty, basso, short, alto, tall, magro, thin, grasso, fat, piccolo, small, grande, big, corto, short, lungo, long, buono, good, cattivo, bad, nuovo, new, vecchio, old, forte, strong, debole, weak, felice, happy, triste, sad, giovane, young, vecchio, old, pulito, clean, sporco, dirty, ricco, rich, povero, poor, ruvido, rough, liscio, smooth, pesante, heavy, leggero, light, morbido, soft, duro, hard, caldo, hot, freddo, cold, bella, beautiful, brutta, ugly, lento, slow, veloce, fast. Please like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you for watching.